Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So we are going to discuss about like what we have learned from our lesson animals, and in that we have covered little bit of birds. Okay, so we are just going to discuss about those in this session in the form of question and answers. See children, here so we have got some questions where they are the previous questions from state and national level Olympiad examinations. Clear children? So this is a practice session for you and like a revision session for what all we have learned in this week. So are you all ready to follow me and giving me the answers? Okay, now we'll just go with the first question here. So look at the animals shown below and select the one that does not belong to the group. So here we are having 4 animals. Like what are they children? So this is the cow, then this one is camel, this one is dolphin, and this one is horse. Now we are having 4 animals here. Now we have to differentiate one animal from the other 3. Now if you see cow, where does it live? It lives on the land. This camel lives on the land. Horse, it lives on the land. And dolphin lives in the water. So which one does not belong to this group? Dolphin. No, C option is the correct answer, whereas other 3 animals are terrestrial animals because they live on the land, and dolphin is an aquatic animal because it lives on the in the water. Clear children? Like this is how we have to answer the questions. Now the word terrestrial means, what does terrestrial means? Just now I said, what is it? Is it A option of the earth, B of the sky, C of the water, or D none of this? So which word means terrestrial? It is of the earth. Of the earth. Okay children, what are all live on the earth are called as terrestrial animals. Clear children? The next question. Kangaroos and koalas have specific dash on their stomach and back respectively. Like we have learnt about this. No, what does kangaroos and koalas have on their stomach and back? So A option is pouch, B is couch, C is box, and D is stand. What does kangaroo have children? So we also said that the baby kangaroo is going to fully develop after coming to this part. What is it? It is just like a pocket type of part. It is pouch. What is it children? It is pouch. Clear? A option is the correct answer. Now find the odd one out. Odd one means what children? Which does not belong to the others here. So if you see, we are having 4 pictures here. The first A option is a dolphin, B is a fish, C is a whale, and D is a frog. No. So which is the odd one? Like if you see children, all these A, B, C, these 3 are aquatic animals, in the sense they purely and completely live in water. No. And when come to frog, this creature, this animal lives both on land and also in the water. No. So that is why this is the odd one, that is frog. Clear children? So this D option is the correct one. Okay, clear? Like if you see, even these 3 A, B, C are aquatic animals, but D, this is amphibian, like which can live both on land and water. Okay children, clear? Now we'll go to the 5th one. Fish is represented with gills, and here frog, and we have a question mark. No, why do fish uses its gills children? For breathing. No, like gills are used for breathing for fish, and what is used for frog? For breathing. No, here you have got 4 options: skin, eyes, legs, and ears. And what did we learn from our lesson? That A option is the correct one, that is skin. Okay, skin. Clear, it breathes through its skin. Sixth question, find the odd one out. So again, which is different from the remaining three. So A option is cat, B is tiger, C is dog, and D is parrot. Can you identify, children? What is the difference here? Cat, it is a pet animal. Tiger, wild animal. Dog, pet animal. Parrot, pet animal. In the sense, pet animal is nothing but a domestic animal. No. So, where we'll also have those animals in our homes. Okay. So, whereas tiger, where do it live? It lives in the forest. It is not a pet animal or a domestic animal. No. So that is why B option is the correct answer. This is different with the other three animals. Okay, children? Clear? Yes. Now, seventh question. Sheep is for wool and hen is for what? No. Sheep, what does it give us? It gives us wool. And hen, what does it give? So let us check with the options here. A is egg, B is milk, C is honey, and D is silk. And what does hen gives us, children? Yes, it is eggs. Oh no, egg is the correct option. That is option number A. Clear? Now, which of the following is the largest group of animals? Largest group of animals, in the sense, so many in number. So these particular animals are spread in a wide number, in the sense there are so many in number that we have also learnt in our lesson. So which is the largest number, largest group of animals? Whether they are birds, insects, reptiles, or mammals. So what are they? Birds, like all pigeon, sparrow, all that comes under birds. Insects, mosquitoes, flies, butterflies, all that come under insects. Okay. Reptiles, what are reptiles? Like lizards, snakes, all that reptiles. Mammals, like animals, and even us human beings all come under mammals. So from these four options, so which has got the largest group? So they are more in number. Option number B. So B is the correct, that insects. Insects are largest group of animals. Okay, children? Clear? Now, chameleon is a lizard that can change its dash according to the surrounding to protect themselves from enemies. Okay, children? So, here in the picture, you can see the chameleon here. So, what does it do? It changes something according to the surroundings. Why? To protect themselves from the enemies. And what did we learn? What does it change? Whether it is A option skin, B option tail, C option color, or D option teeth. What does it change, children? It changes the color. It changes its color to the surrounding. As we learned that if it is there on the green trees or the plants, it changes its color into green. Whether it is in red color surroundings, it shades itself into red. So like that, to protect from the enemies, it changes its color. Which of the following animal is not kept in the zoo? Here, zoo. Children, what is a zoo? Yes, we all love to visit a zoo. Why? Because we'll be able to see so many varieties of animals in the zoo. Animals are kept in the zoo. And here, which of the animal is not kept in the zoo? Okay, so A option is jackal, B is wolf, C is hyena, and D is dog. Okay, children? And here, even before also, we just said that. So you have got two varieties of animals here. One is domestic and another one is wild. No. So domestic animals, normally we will not keep them in the zoo. No, they are free to just live along with us. But wild animals, either they will be in the forest or to just have a visit. We'll keep some of the animals in the zoo. No, we'll not let them free as we have our domestic animals. So from these 4 animals, which one is not kept in the zoo? It is the D option, dog. No, we'll not keep dog in the zoo. It is very free to live along with us on the roads, in our houses and all that. Whereas jackal, hyena, wolf are wild animals. No, they are harmful to the other animals. So that is why we'll keep them in the zoo or they live in the jungle. Clear, children? Now 11th one. Which family of animals does a wolf belong to? Wolf. No, which family? To which family does it belong? Whether it is to a dog family or a cat family, deer family or a rat family. Wolf, children, you know how it looks like? No, it just looks like a dog. No. So that is why it belongs to the family of dog. Thing is, dog is domestic and wolf is a wild animal. That's all. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Now, the other question, choose the correct option. Now, are you familiar with this type of diagrams, children? So, we call them as Venn diagrams. We call them as Venn diagrams. So, here you can see a circle. No, in circle, again you can see inside the circle a small circle. Again, outside the circle another circle. No, if this you have something inside the circle, so in the sense, even though you have another 2 or 3 circles in that big circle, so they are all the same. They all are same. It says that they are all are same. And if you have anything something outside that big circle, so that is not related to the big circle. It is separate. Okay. So like this, now we have to find out the correct option. Suppose if you see here, arboreal animal. In the big circle, it is written that arboreal animal. And you have here koala. And outside the big circle, you are having monkey. Now, what are arboreal animals, children? So, they are animals which live on the tree. Like we already learnt that they are tree dwellers animals. No, which live on the tree. So, here if you see koala lives on the tree. And even monkey also lives on the tree. No, but here this monkey is separated. It is not in the big circle. No, which is meant for arboreal animal. It is outside the circle. So they are telling that monkey is not an arboreal animal. Is it correct? No. Monkey and koala both are arboreal animals. No. So this one is the wrong option. And if you see here, so here what they are telling is, so arboreal, it is a different circle. Again, monkey and koala. No, both are in one circle. Okay. So they are telling that koala belongs to monkey because the big circle is named as monkey. In that big circle, koala is there, saying that this koala is belongs to monkey. Is it correct, children? No. No. So, koala and monkey both belong to arboreal group. No. So, that is why this is also wrong. No. Here, what is there? See, here you can see a big circle which is telling arboreal animal. But some part of the circle here. See, if you see this part of the circle which is named as monkey, it is some part is inside the arboreal circle and some part is outside the arboreal circle. No, even koala also. Some part inside the arboreal and some part outside the arboreal. That so it means that these both animals belong somewhat to arboreal group and somewhat to other group. Is it true, children? No, this is also a wrong answer. And here if you see, children, so our big circle which is named as arboreal animal, and then in that we can see two circles, so which name monkey and koala in each, and this means that in the arboreal animal group this monkey and koala both can be named. Okay, in the sense monkey and koala both belong to arboreal animal. So this is the right option. Clear, children? This is the right option. Like arboreal animals means both monkey and also koala. Both are the animals which live on the trees. So like this you have to answer the Venn diagram questions. Clear? Now which of the following animals is useful to us? Which of the animal is useful? So if you see, A option is rhinoceros. No. B option is giraffe. C is panther and D is camel. Where do rhinoceros live, children? In the forest. Okay, near the water also. Panther, again it is a wild animal. Giraffe also, it lives in forests and jungles. And camel, it lives in desert. And if you see which animal is used for us, in the sense for human beings the most, in the sense camel. D. Why? It lives in deserts and it can store water for so many days. No. So that is why camel is useful for the humans. Clear, children? Now what is the national animal of India? National animal. Is it A option lion, B option elephant, C option tiger and D option fox? What is that, children? Yes, it is C option tiger. Clear? Which one of the following animals has a pouch to carry their young ones? So we have already learnt this. So which one? Whether A, gorilla, B, hare, C, kangaroo and D, deer. Okay. Gorilla, you know, like it's just like a chimpanzee. Gorilla. Hare like a rabbit. Kangaroo, you know, and deer. Okay. Which one has got a pouch? Yes, it is C option, children, kangaroo. Kangaroo. The diagram given below shows a food chain. Now answer the question. So here you can see a grass, then a deer, then a lion. In the sense, grass is eaten by deer and deer is eaten by the lion. Okay. And which of the following is the producer? Whether A option lion, B option deer, C option grass and D option lion and deer. Which one, children? Which is produced as food here? Yes, it is grass. No, first C option is the correct answer. So first grass is taken as food by the deer. Then this deer is taken as food by the lion. So grass is the producer here. Clear? Now to the next question. Which animal has a pair of visible big teeth which are not meant for eating? Pair of big teeth, like which is not meant for eating. Okay, children? And the options here are elephant, crocodile, nilgai and tiger. Okay. So which one, children? Whereas you know what is elephant? It has got two big trunks. Crocodile also got teeth. Nilgai is a blue bull. It's a bull actually, which is in blue color. So we can also call it as a blue bull. Tiger. Tiger, he uses its teeth, two front sharp teeth to eat the food. No. So what is the correct option here? A. That is elephant. The teeth, like as it is, we call it as trunk. This is not meant for eating actually. No, it just catch hold of something here, but it does not eat. Okay. So this is the option. Correct option. Look at the table carefully. Which of the following animals can be placed in place of X? Okay, children. See here. we have got three different type of animals, that is herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. No. So what is herbivore? Which eats only plants, whereas cow and buffalo. Carnivore, which eats only animal flesh, tiger and lion. Omnivore, which eats both, either plant or animal flesh. So one example is human being, the other example, that is X. So which animal can be placed here? So that we have to identify from the options. So whether it is crow, camel, deer or cow. Crow, camel, deer or cow. So you can say crow. We can say crow because crow, it also eats food which is produced by plants and it also eats insects. No, insects also. So that is why we can place crow here. That is A option. Clear, children? A fox grows thicker fur as season changes. This adaptation helps the fox too. See, children, so the fox, you know the fox? So it has got fur on its body, no? So as the season changes, suppose like winter is coming, the fox fur grows thick. Like this adaptation, in the sense, this habit of making itself comfortable to the living place. No, this adaptation helps the fox too. Why does this habit helps the fox? Whether to find food, A option, and whether to keep warmer, B option, whether to grow stronger, C option, whether none of this, D option. So which one is the correct one? Okay, so its fur grows thick to keep itself warm in the winters or any other season. Okay, whether it is growing thick to keep warm, whether it is growing thin to again protect from the heat. So here B option is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. See here, like as I have explained about the Venn diagram here, children. So carefully observe this and mark the correct option. A. See, in the big circle we have got a pet animal and we are stating that we have got dog and parrot in this pet animal. And here three different circles which are not connected to the other, like pet animal, parrot and dog. So they are not connected. Here, so pet animal is different and parrot and dog are interconnected in the sense, yeah, see here like this. And here parrot, in that parrot, like big circle is stating the parrot and we are trying to say that dog and pet animal belong to parrot. Is it true, children? No. So which one is the correct option now? A1. Whereas we are trying to say that under pet animal we have dog and parrot. Is it clear? No? Yes. Next question. Fill in the blank with correct option. On the basis of food habit, so we have divided the animals into different categories. No. So if you see here, we are having herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and the other one. What is that? So we have to name it. So whether it is parasite, A option, whether it is eyesight, B option, C option, website, or D option, none of these. What is it, children? Is eyesight an animal? Is website an animal? And D, none of this option. And the A option, parasite. Yes, parasite is the correct answer here. Why? Parasite is also an animal which is invisible and which lives on the or inside the body of an animal and which causes danger to its host. Now we learnt this. So as it takes takes the animal or whatever on which it is laying as a host as its food. No, from that parts it takes the food, it causes danger to that particular host. No, so that is why parasite, A option is the correct answer here. Whereas herbivores are plant eating animals, carnivores are like animal eating, mean flesh eating animals, omnivores are both plant and animal food is taken by them. Clear children? Parasite is the correct option. And some of them live inside or on the bodies of other animals and obtain their food from them. So just now we learnt that. And parasites cause great loss to the life of their dash. No, just now we learned that parasites, no, they live on or inside the body of the other animals, and they cause great loss to the life of their dash. So what is that? Whether ghost, A option, most, B option, host, C option, fast, D option. Yes children, the right answer is host. C option, like host in the sense on which body they are living or in which body they are living. Clear children? Now 23rd one. One of the following animals has strong hind legs and hooves. See children, hind legs are nothing but the back legs actually. Okay, and here, so which one has got hind legs and hooves? Like hooves. Hooves is like a jumping. Okay, and here in the diagram you can see cheetah, kangaroo, tortoise and lizard. So which one can jump with its back legs? So that is the question. Okay, and if you see here, B option is the correct one. No, kangaroo. So it is the fastest jumping animal actually. Okay, kangaroo. Have you seen children? It will not walk. It will never walk. It just jumps. No, because it has got strong hind legs and hooves, it is able to jump. So B is the correct answer. And directions here. Based on the poem below, choose the best option. Okay, we are the creatures who has got special feature. Our bones are light and hollow. Sky is the limit to follow. Who am I? So here the question is like we have to just answer this riddle. No, like we are the creatures who has got special feature. What are the features? Their bones are light and hollow, in the sense empty, and sky is the limit to follow. No, they can just go until the sky. So who are they? What are they? Terrestrial animals, A option. B is aerial animals. C is aquatic animals. B is amphibians. Sorry. Okay. So terrestrial animals in the sense children, they are the animals which live on the land. Can they go till the sky? No. Aerial animals which live in the air. So what are they? Birds. No. Birds. Can they fly to the sky? Yes. No. Whether aquatic animals which live in water. No, they can't fly again to the sky. Amphibians is like which also which live on the wet land. No, like frog and all that. Can they fly? No. So B option is the correct answer. Like their bones, birds' bones are light and hollow. In the sense, as they have to fly in the air, their bones are made very light in weight so that they can fly easily. Okay, children? So this is the answer. B is the correct option. Now, is the following diagram, in the following diagram, which one is the herbivorous animal? Herbivorous. What is herbivorous, children? Only plant eating animal. Okay. So if you see here, you have got grass and then a grasshopper. Grass is eaten by the grasshopper here. Then this grasshopper is eaten by the frog and this frog is eaten by the snake. No. So then which is the herbivorous animal? Oh, either A, B, C or D. Yes, children? Grasshopper. No, grasshopper. Why? Because it is eating grass here. No, so that is why grasshopper is the correct option. Now match the following. So you have got list 1 and list 2 in the slide, children, whereas you have got the name of the animals and to which group they belong in the second list. We have to match it. No, like A, first one, camel. No, what is camel, children? Is it an omnivore and herbivore? Yes, it is herbivore. No, camel. It is herbivore. Then B, jackal. Jackal, what is it? Is it omnivore, herbivore, carnivore or parasite? So jackal eats animal flesh. No. So that is why jackal will match with the fourth option. Crow. As we just gave an example before, which can eat both, either plant or an animal. So it matches with the second option. And bacteria. What is bacteria, children? Which lives in our body or on our body? No, that is invisible, which we call it as parasite, which matches with the first option. And now our answer should be A3, B4, C2 and D1. No. So where do we have this answer? In the first option, that is A. A3, B4, C2 and D1. Whereas rest options are wrong. So this is the correct one. Clear, children? Yes. Now we'll go to the other question. Which one of the birds shown below cannot fly? Which cannot fly? See, children, you are having owl here, eagle and penguin and pigeon. Which cannot fly? Yes, it is C option, penguin. Whereas rest of all can fly except penguin. Clear? Which one of the following animals is not an insect? See, children, observe very carefully. Which one is not an insect? Either options are butterfly, ant, grasshopper and spider. No. So if you see, mostly 4 look as the same. But for an insect, you have one quality. What is that? Every insect has got 6 legs. Okay, 6 legs. But here if you see here, children, from these 4 animals, only one particular animal has got 8 legs. One has got 8 legs, other 3 have got 6 legs. What have got 6 legs are called as insects actually. Okay, no. So then, now we have to identify which has got 8 legs. That is the spider. So that is why this is not an insect. Okay. Another thing is like insect has got 3 main branches. Insects will be having 3 main branches. But here spider has got only 2 branches. That is also one, branches in the sense, sections, in their body. They'll have 3 sections. Insects have 3 sections, whereas spider has got 2 sections of their body. That we will be going to learn in our further classes. Okay, children? But for now, for your easy understanding, I would like to say that insects will be having 6 legs, whereas spider has got 8 legs. So that is why this spider doesn't come under insect group. Clear, children? Now the 29th question here. A bird is different from a rabbit because a bird dash. How is a bird different, children, from a rabbit? Bird has got feathers, but rabbit does not have feather. No. So that is why C option is the correct answer. No. So both bird and rabbit, they can grow, they can move and they need air. But only difference is that bird has got feathers and rabbit does not have it. 30th question here. Ram had a pet dog named Tom. Tom was not well, what should Ram do? Okay, children, so he has got Ram. This boy has got a pet dog which is named as Tom. No, Tom, in the sense the pet dog is not well, it is not feeling well, it is sick. So what should Ram do? Either he has to leave Tom in the jungle, or he has to leave Tom on the roadside, or he has to take him to a doctor, or he has to do all the above things. So what is the correct option, children? Suppose if you have got any pet animal with you, whether dog, cat, parrot, pigeon, whatever it may be. No, what you will do if it falls sick, if it is hurt, if it is not feeling well? Will you throw it away? Will it send it away? No. No, when you get ill, when you feel ill, what are parents going to do? Will take you to the doctor? No. No, if you are ill, what your mom or dad going to do? They will take you to a doctor. No. Same like that, if any pet animal is sick, what we have to do? We have to take him to the doctor. No, here also Ram has to take his pet dog Tom to the doctor. So C option is the correct answer. So that the dog get cured from its sickness or illness, whatever may be. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.